Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to make a quick video on how to change the band on a Galaxy S3 Classic watch. This is it right here. Very nice watch. And now I want to put in this one right here. Okay, got it open. I'm gonna put in this one right here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, first of all, I will get my tweezers. In my description, I will have a link of the watch, of the new band, and the toolkit. So, pretty much get my tweezers, and I'll put it right in here, bring it down. That comes right off. Take it out. Do the same thing with the other side. Okay, that's out. Okay, so now I'll get my new band. Okay, so this part right here is a little tricky. You have to get it to the two little tiny pinholes. I'm gonna do it just like this. Gotta push it in. I don't have any nails, so I'm trying my best to push it in. There it goes. That side is in. So you gotta basically do the same thing to the other side. Slide the pin in, put the pin into the little two small pinholes. Just like this. Having a little trouble, but I'll get it in. Alright, let's go one more time. Probably an easier way if you have the right tool, but at this moment I don't have the right tool, and this is how I am doing it. But I'm gonna get it in. There you go. That is how you put it. It's probably an easier way. You probably can buy a tool, but that's how I did it. If you have any question whatsoever, comment below, like and subscribe. These are the two bands. This is the new band. It is beautiful. Now the watch look very nice. Love it. Well, like I said, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.